Mary here. I'm a brand ambassador for allmyblackgirls.com and I'm going to be running through some tutorials on how you can wear your Kinky Coarse clip-ins. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I've made a diagonal parting, as this is how I like my parting to be for my ponytail. I then go on to add some Cantu mousse and Eco Styler gel. Now I find that this combination makes my hair really slick, so this is how I always slick my hair down. I then grab a hair tie and I put my hair in a ponytail at the back of my head. I then use my slick brush to make sure that my hair is smooth. As you can see, I'm adding my first clip in. I'm now adding my second. And there goes my third. Shake it, show them what you're working with. I then add another clip-in which I use to wrap around the 3 sets of clip-ins I've already put in my hair. This allows for the clips to not show. I then add a 4th set of clip-in and I use a bobby pin to make sure that the clip-in that is wrapped around the ponytail stays in place. There you have it, girls. Nice long ponytail. So having finished the ponytail, I then decide to create 2 more looks before I take the clip-ins out of my head. So I take some clip-ins and I put them to the front, and this is so that a fringe can be created. I then proceed to grab a scarf and I wrap the scarf around the ponytail. Now essentially the purpose of the scarf is so that the clip-ins from the fringe can be covered. You can use any scarf to do this. I had a black scarf at the time, so that's what I used. But on a normal day, I'd probably use a colourful scarf. And there you have it, a ponytail with a fringe. The final look is a bun with a fringe. So what I do is I grab my ponytail clip-ins at the back and I wrap it around itself. I then use bobby pins to secure the bun in place. And I grab my scarf again and wrap it around the bun so that the clips from the fringe do not show. And there you have it, girls. A bun with a fringe. Thank you for watching, and join me again soon as I'll be showing you some more hairstyles you can do with your Kinky Coarse clip-ins. To purchase your clip-ins, please visit allmyblackgirls.com. Bye!